I consider this to be one of the more, major lessons, but actually one of the simplest ones. We're going to talk about adding a blog, but not only just adding the blog, I'm going to talk about how you can optimize the blog, use it to leverage your business, and how you can bring in some new clients. See, blogs are extremely important if you want to bring in new clients or new visitors because they all have search engine optimization abilities. People can find your blog posts and that leads them to your site. So to add a blog, all we're going to do is we're going to hit add. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to blog, and then we're going to hit add to site. As simple as that. It'll start loading your blog and integrating it with your site. And as you'll notice, you're finished. So you can create posts, manage posts, add blog elements. So there's so many different things that you can do, but hang on a minute. Let's look at the background. Remember when we edited that page background? It doesn't look so good on the blog site. And look at this. When we added the blog, it's in lowercase. All of our other pages aren't in lowercase. So we're going to hit the menu. We're going to fix that first. We're going to go to Manage menu. And then we're going to rename the blog in uppercase. Blog. Done. Now we fixed our menu. Just to go over that, we changed the title so that blog is now in capitals. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the background for this page alone. We're going to hit anywhere on the background. We're going to hit change page background. And we're going to choose a color. We're going to just choose a color, white or yellow or pink or purple or this sort of greenish color. I like the yellow. Does that go with the rest of our site? I think we had some yellow on the rest of our site. So there we go. It's much easier to read now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the blog strip or the manage post button. So we're going to hit where the blog has been made. We're going to go to manage posts. And then now what we can do is we can start editing these posts. These are just random sample posts. So we're going to actually start deleting them. Delete. So these are just example posts. We're going to delete all of them and then we're going to go in and edit the first one. Or we're just going to create a new one. So what we're going to do is actually, I would recommend simply removing all of these example blog posts or just templates and then just creating a post from scratch. So you go to create a post and there you go. It's as simple as that. Look how nice this is. You're just adding your catchy title. What am I doing? Your title here, post about dogs or ice cream. Or dogs and ice cream if you have a dog ice cream parlor. And then what you're going to do is, do you like ice cream? We do too. In this post, we're going to be talking about the top 10 weirdest ice cream flavors. Do you have an idea for a weird ice cream flavor? Send us a message and then you can do a listicle 1, 2, 3, and then send this out to your email list. And your email list, like I said, might subscribe in your footer. But we're going to talk about contact forms and how to add them and integrate them. But yeah, this is as simple as it is. You hit publish and your post is live. Now, if you want, you can actually go into your settings over here and manage different aspects of your blog, like your display and your layout. Your layout is you can have a magazine style layout, you can do a postcard layout, you can do a brick layout, you can do a titled layout, one column, which I think these look pretty nice too. So you can really choose, and you can have different page categories. So just going into your settings and, changing those as well. I recommend just being very basic with it, like just going ahead, doing what looks good to you, and then just continuing. Whenever you make these changes, hit publish so that it's saved, okay? Once you're sure and you like it, hit publish, because if you lose the web page and it hasn't auto-saved, it sometimes does. See, your changes have been saved, but if it hasn't auto-saved, you will lose that progress. So just a reminder, hit publish, make sure that's there. It will save you in the long run. Good luck.